Well, good morning everybody. This is Tyler, B&K Outdoors. Welcome back, and welcome to all the new subscribers. Been quite a few of you guys lately. Appreciate it. Today we are back in the wood yard. We actually have a quick delivery we gotta do, but we gotta split the wood first. So this guy, he reached out to me. He's got an outdoor burner, and he said he bought a few trailer loads from us this past year, but he knew it wasn't going to be enough to get him through. So we're going to split this is some hickory, and then we're going to pick off this oak pile since this has been sitting here the longest. This hickory actually came from a guy. Yeah, he brought me a truckload. It was a dead tree in his yard. So Justin's getting the splitter over here, and since it's an outdoor burner, the guy, I told him like it's gonna be a little wetter than the stuff that we brought you in the past, and he said he didn't care. So we'll have to do a little bit of cutting, I'm sure, but he said just get him a cord, and that should get him through the rest of the year. So that's what we're gonna do. Got the skid loader over here in case we need the big splitter, the skid loader splitter, because this oak is some big stuff, but we're gonna get this stuff taken care of first. So we got a pretty good load going so far. Had a little bit of technical difficulty at the beginning. We both thought we were recording, and well, it wasn't recording while he did that pile. Anyways, he's pulling ahead now because we're going to use the skid loader splitter to do the rest of this, because it's a little bit too long for this splitter to take. So he's just gonna pull ahead so I can pick pieces up, hang it over that, and split. So this thing, it works really well. Saves our back. It was funny, I had two pieces put right here. I could not split them at the beginning for some odd reason, but then I decided I was gonna try it again and split it with no problem. So anyways, I'm gonna hop back in, and we're gonna get all this finished up and loaded, and then we'll go deliver. Took 20 minutes to do that.
I think I'll back up and get in there. We'll take that off, put the bucket on. We'll go up there and throw that shit in the bucket and just dump it in the tree.
All that last little bit up there?
How's it in there?
Alright.
It'll help it get burning faster.
Yeah, this thing works pretty good. Still pretty new to it. Should have seen Justin try to do it. Be a little slower than me. It's a different kind of machine. It's all with the hands. I was struggling. I won't deny that. It's got a pretty good load. Just finish up a couple other things and see when the guy's ready. Alright, we are back at the shop now. Got that good load delivered. Guy was super happy. So all I'm gonna do now, I'm not gonna put it on camera, but I gotta clean up this mess. Just dump it on that pile. And then this is all ready for this year to pile all of our wood. We put all of our hardwood right here. I'm gonna clean up this whole area. And then township got a hold of me the other day that apparently they're getting complaints our bundle stand is blocking the view at this intersection, which it is definitely not, because I can see perfectly. They even admitted they don't have any issues with seeing, but they got a complaint. So I told them that I'd get it moved. So that's why I brought the forks over. So get that moved out. And then we're done for the day. So, as always, I appreciate it, each and every one of you guys watching. If you haven't done so already, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.